Hey everyone, you want to know how to build a raised garden? Well, here you go. First thing we did is we went and we bought these bricks right here from the Home Depot. As you can see, we've stacked them 3 high, and I ran rebar straight down through into the ground. And we did that 4 times to make a square. We bought cedar planks, which today you need a small mortgage for, but still, they work great because cedar does help keep the bugs out, which you really don't want a whole bunch of bugs when you want your garden. Basically, they will eat your garden alive. We use some wonderful cow manure and compost, which is great because it does help feed your garden. And we also use topsoil. Like stuff starting to come in here. Sprinkle some stuff on there for the critters. Those are tomatoes. And looks like she's got some peppers coming in here. There's a couple shoots coming out there. Looks like cilantro. Or no, carrots, I'm sorry, which a little carrot shoots coming out there. And basil, or as some would say basil. A couple of basil shoots coming in here. And then cilantro. And you can see some of it starting to come through already. Cilantro's really starting to pop up. So what did that yield us? Well, we've got a garden. And as you can see, we've got tomatoes coming in. Whole bunch of tomatoes. Looks like that one's about ready to come out. We have cucumbers. We have some carrots, which we haven't pulled yet. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is our basil, which we have tons of. Yeah, so gardening. Not too bad.